So I've been shooting more with my Lubitel 166 with the Olympic version, and I've realized that, well, since it doesn't have a light meter, you have to use your own, which is, you know, fine and dandy. But when you're composing your shot, and you're looking down here and you're composing out your shot, and then the lighting changes, you have to grab out your light meter one more time, reset the settings. So after getting tired of that, I 3D printed myself a light meter holder. Back a little. A light meter holder that goes into this hot shoe. So you'll place your light meter in here. It's the Leningrad 8 or Leningrad 8 light meter that I have, and it goes into, let's see if we can see anything here. So it goes into the hot shoe here, and I have an integrated light meter into your camera so you can compose your shot, set your lighting, set your lens, set the settings here, and take your shot. This is the second version of this contraption. I also have one that's just a right or a 90-degree angle, and this light meter holder. And I've also have just a plain one like this, which you can slide into the hot shoe of any of your SLRs or any point and shoots, I guess, that have a hot shoe mount that you can use this light meter with, like this Petrie 7S that's seen better days, and the light meter works, but it's messed up. So now I can give it new life and stick my light meter in there and get all the values I need. So these will be posted on Thingiverse, where you can either 3D print it yourself if you have this light meter. If not, well, you're out of luck, but at least you have an idea for what you can do with it. And if you do have this light meter and either this particular camera or a camera that uses the hot shoe at a right angle, this might help you. Otherwise, you can just print yourself one of these for this meter again. If you don't have it, I'm sure someone will make one up for your meter, or you can do it yourself in like Fusion 360 or something else. Super simple, but I've been shooting way more rolls of 120 because this is so much easier. And like someone mentioned in my previous video, you use this opaque cover that you can't really see through for incident readings, meaning like straight up in front of you or around, and then you use it without a cover for reflective readings, like if you're reflecting out of the glass or someone's behind the glass that you're trying to creep a picture of, you'd use it without the opaque cover. So that is all I've got for this light meter and this idea, which makes shooting a lot easier. Hope to see you in the next one, guys.